Okay, in this lecture, we will see how we can create calculated column as well as how we can create conditional column. So in our Power BI query editor, so that we can use those columns also in the report. Now, let me open my Power BI desktop and we will open the last example that we have done using our SharePoint list. Just to show you, this is our SharePoint list. And in this case, if you'll see here, we have a total project value column and a percentage deliver column. So now this total value column, I have the projects and then total value is coming like this. So we can create a calculated column as a average, something like that. And then we will create a percentage, I mean a conditional column based on this percentage delivered. So I will open this. This is the same list. First of all, you can see here, this is the same list. What I will do is I will quickly click on transform data so that we will open our query editor. And most importantly, I will select this choose column and I will select the columns which you require. For example, we require title, location, project value, percentage, and probably we required state and country like this, and then click on OK. So basically now we have make it simple. So we can see here like this. Now on this, what we can do here is I will go to here you can see here add column, and you can see here there is a column which is the option known as our custom column. So if you click on that, then it is opening the editor where we can write the column name. Suppose I will say average project value, and on this we'll have to add the formula. Remember, if you are actually good at some Excel formulas, then you will be find it little easier. So in this case, we have the total project value. So I'll click on insert and then I will divide it with the total projects we have. So you can see here now, and then there is no syntax error now. So if I'll click on OK now, if we'll go here, you can see here, this is how the average project value is appearing here. So if you can see here, it is coming in a different format. Uh, Probably what you can do is you can click on this, you can just right click and you can change the type. If you'll change the type, let's say I'll say fixed decimal number. Now you can see here, it will come with two fixed decimal number. That way also you can format how you require. So this is how we can create a calculated column. Now, next one is the conditional column. If you can see here, the conditional column, if you'll see, uh, I will click on this conditional column. So now it will open this dialog box where we can actually add it. So suppose I will say project delivery status, and on this, now here we can add the logic over here. For example, in this case, if I will show you the list, suppose the project is 90% completed, that means we are on track. And if it is less than, let's say, or if it is, let's say, 70 to 80%, then we can say it's okay, we are at green. Then suppose it is 0 means it is critical. So like this we can have the values. So I will open the same query editor. First thing example we will first one we will add is, it is asking for the column name. So we will select the percentage delivered because that's the column name on which we want to calculate. So if it is greater than or equal to, let's say the value is 90%, then we can make it, or we can write it to like something like let's say we are on track, and or I will say almost completed, and then I will add another clause here, same percentage delivered. This time I will say if it is greater than equal to 70%, then I will say kind of, let's say I'll say we are good, and then I'll add one more clause here. If the project value is sorry, if the percentage delivered is less than or equal to, let's say, 30%, then probably we will say critical. It is not done yet. And similarly, if it is if the project or the percentage completed is greater than 40%, then we can say okay, like this we can do. Now I will click on OK. So you can see here now, if it is 90% completed, you can see here, then it is showing almost completed. If it is 70%, we are good. 75% we are good. Zero critical. So last one also critical. You can see 20% is critical, 50-60% is okay, that whatever we are doing on this. So you have the other options as well, how you can change the or how we can, if you want to change, let's say, the logic here, you can always come here, right click on this, and you can say edit settings. So if you'll click on edit settings, you will come up with the same this screen. Now on this, if you'll see, there are conditions are available: equal, not, doesn't equal, greater than, less than. So you have the condition, you have a value. The value you can take a custom value, or if you have a column also, you can select this column value here. So you can do that. Now I will, so this is how we can use these columns. And I will click on go to the home tab. I will say close and apply. Now if we'll go back to our query, you can see here it is taking some time to save things over here. You can see here now it is saved. So this is how we can create columns using any calculated formula, or we can use the conditional formatting, and we can create conditional columns also.